A local family's sole source of livelihood was reduced to ashes at night after unidentified miscreants set fire to a parked electric Tomtom vehicle at Borobil Raj Mohan Para under the jurisdiction of the Salema Police Station. The vehicle, very registration number TR04C2837, belonged to a local resident identified as Sunil Debbarma. The incident, which took place on Saturday night, has sparked outrage and a sense of insecurity among the local residents. Speaking to reporters while processing the shock of the incident, a devastated Sunil Debbarma shared that he had purchased the electric vehicle just 3 months ago. Lacking the lump sum capital, he had taken out an installment plan, pinning all his hopes on the vehicle to provide a steady income and a decent living for his family. According to reports, the vehicle was parked in its usual spot on Saturday evening. Under the cover of darkness, unknown perpetrators sneaked into the area, doused the vehicle in flammable material and set it to ablaze.
Koi mas ngkha
gari mukha 3 mas laning cholitu
sobo sok lang kha
abo saimi horo sokan kha sabo jeni
kebo bai no age wala jak rokta tom
abo to para abo to tongo kaise busu boy kutu khata waise busu tong nai nai kami mu to joto to no
kai sonde rokta tom
sonde hoy mone tongo sonde hoy mone tongo abo tini yang thana thanga ekhe khenai thana sakasa gran khana me thana pheka phasa pheka bro jotan kasa gran khana.
By the time the fire was noticed, the flames had already engulfed the three-wheeler, leaving it completely gutted and unusable. Following the incident, a case has been registered in the Salema Police Station. Report, Chini, Khorang.